Hey guys, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Hey,
Katie.
Hey, Jason.
How's your day been?
Oh, slammed.
Tell me.
Oh my gosh, so slammed. I mean, lessons, laundry, kids, meetings, you name it. You name it!
And now we're here.
And now we're here.
It never ends. Why? Because we love each of
Love
you.
you.
We want you to hit that subscribe button right
Ding, ding,
now.
ding, 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 ding.
We want you to follow all of our socials.
Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. Join us on a warm-up this week.
I love
Why
your
not?
attitude with that.
Thank you.
And check out our new program, the Vocal Lab.
Tell us about it.
The Vocal Lab, from the bedroom to the stage. We want you to be a part of that course with us. It's 4 weeks of fantastic. That's what it is. So check that out. Join us. Also, go to all of your favorite streaming services and check out my music.
Yeah.
Katie?
Yeah?
Music soon.
Music soon, actually. We've heard you guys in the comments in previous videos. So Jason and I are cooking up a little something fun.
Yeah, we're gonna start throwing some music out for you guys too. So pay attention to that.
Pay attention.
To that. What are we paying attention to on this reaction today, Katie?
You know, we're going back to our favorite Wish bus.
107.5.
Great job.
Thank you.
You should do a voiceover.
I should.
Yes. Okay. Now, his first name is Darren, but I forget the last name already.
Espanto.
Darren Espanto.
Yes.
Singing.
I forget. We're going to find out. I forget what song it is. Here we go. It was a request that came in from you guys.
I believe.
Yeah, no, I've never seen him. Here we go. Let's listen.
Hello everyone, this is Darren Espanto. Don't miss any Wish-exclusive performances. Just click right here to subscribe.
How old is he?
I don't know, but I did not expect that voice for some reason. Very crisp, though, in his speaking voice.
He's so cute.
He's so sweet.
All right. He just went from 12 to like 32 in a note.
Wish 107.5.
Have you ever reached a rainbow's
I believe. Ooh, that's pretty.
This is Fantasia's, I believe.
Yes.
Okay.
Ever catch the shooting star? And tell me how high did you soar? Ever felt like you were dreaming just to find that you're awake? And the magic that surrounds you can lift you up and guide you on your way. I can see it in the stars across the sky.
Come on, Darren.
I've dreamt 100,000 dreams before, and now I'll finally bring
That little grit in there.
you see, I'm waiting all my life for this moment to
There it was again.
and finally.
It's like a little male version of
Woo!
Morissette.
Yes. That little smoke he put in there too.
Oh my gosh,
and then he's like,
he's so engaging, so sweet.
When you look out in the distance,
he's looking at the people on the bus.
never was that far.
There's such an innocence about him.
Yes.
Heaven knows of your existence and it's to me everything you are. There's a time for every soul to fly. It's in the eyes of every child. It's the hope that love will save the world. And no, we should never let it go. I can see it in the stars across the sky. I've dreamt 100,000 dreams before, and now I'll finally realize. You see, I'm waiting all my life for this moment
Nice
to
little lick.
arrive. And finally, I believe in the impossible.
Yes, you
If
do.
I reach deep within my heart, overcome any obstacle, let this dream just fall apart.
Oh, come on.
I've dreamt 100,000 dreams, and now I finally realize. Lord, you say I'm waiting all my life for this moment to arrive. And I believe. Yes, I said I believe. Oh, love keeps lifting me. Yes, love keeps lifting me higher.
This guy.
I know.
What?
Cause I believe, yeah, love keeps lifting me higher. Yeah, I said that love keeps lifting me higher. Love keeps lifting me higher.
What?
Is that
It's got to be a G. F. A flats?
a G? Wow.
Wow.
Love keeps lifting me higher.
Gosh.
Love keeps lifting me higher.
How old is he? I need to find out how old he is. Because I'm so curious where he is at, like, age-wise.
Be updated on the
Okay,
latest.
How
he's
did-
21. He's 21.
He's 21. How do we know how he was there when that video was put out?
I don't.
Don't. So
I don't. But holy golden cow for...
that's a holy
Sure.
golden cow.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Wow.
Can I say a few things?
Absolutely. I'm speechless.
Okay,
for a minute.
one thing. I was sucked in because of the pure joy of him singing.
Yes.
And that was so refreshing to watch. And I think that's also one of the reasons why we love Morissette so much is she oozes joy when she sings. And Darren did as well. Just the pure innocence and engaging with the people around him,
Yeah.
watching his surroundings too, but not missing a moment of perfection in his voice.
Uh-huh.
And then just to let you guys know where he speaks is so telling of his singing voice because he is right in that middle range speaking wise so that he's incredible. He's incredible.
He was incredible. I mean, I sat here just dumbfounded from a coach's perspective of all the technical proficiency that he displayed in this one song.
Sitting down.
Sitting down,
Driving
yeah.
on a bus in the rain.
Yeah, I mean, he was
Carlos.
completely okay.
Yeah.
Completely okay
Yeah.
to open his person, his mouth, his expressions,
Yeah.
his voice, and how he would wrap it around sometimes really open. Other times he would just
really compressed on it.
compress it and
Yeah.
put that grit.
Yeah.
But then he would get breathy, and then he'd be really connected. He would go low, and then he'd go crazy high.
Yeah.
I mean, that was insane.
So good. One of my favorite things actually about his
Insane.
voice is a lot of people don't understand. They think chest voice is constantly, I believe, singing way down there, which it is. But he was so, I believe, it's so rounded and the tone is so rich.
That's a really great point technically.
Yeah.
I find that a lot of clients of mine, I think you would agree, get caught up on is it chest or head voice.
Yeah.
And the reality is we live in that middle voice, and there is almost always a component of all of it. All the
Totally.
resonators are involved. That's why we call it a mix. So,
Yep.
So exactly what you said is really cool to point out.
Yeah.
Is that he didn't sit so low in his chest voice
He wasn't bottoming out,
at all.
and it makes that tone so much rich, and it gives him more flexibility in the dynamic of his voice, the agility.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see more of him.
I know. How have we not found him before?
Comment below what else. Does he have
him.
original stuff out? Because, y'all, we never look at this stuff before we react to it, which is really hard for me because I'm not good with surprises.
She's not.
But I'm only good with you guys.
It's true. And so we get a lot of comments from you guys that, you kind of let us know what you think about stuff. Like, oh, didn't you look up his age? No, we didn't. Yeah. Because we want the shock effect. And so we walk into these things completely blind, other than the name. We try to know where the country is, because we talk about that, and the song. And tonight we forgot the song. So, we're just out here having fun, giving you guys what you want. That's what we're doing.
That is what we're doing.
Yeah. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. Oh, wow, we did that together.